Okay, I am so excited. I want to introduce you to the 100 Day Project. Have you heard of it? If you have, please leave me a comment and let me know. Have you participated or have you just watched the videos? I am really excited about this. Can you tell? So, I want to show you what I'm going to be doing, and I hope that you will get inspired and it's something really amazing because it is not just for crafting. It can be for anything in our life. So I'm going to turn over now to my crafting station and I'm going to show you what I'm personally going to be doing for the 100 Day Project. And this is not any part of my regular crafting route series. So we'll still be doing our slow stitching sampler series. We'll still be doing our mixed media art journaling series. But I will share with you my 100-day project, and it's something that is near and dear to my heart that I love to do, but I needed to get back into the routine of it. So let me explain. So my 100-day project is going to be turning my mixed media art journal into a gratitude journal. So the pages that I've already decorated, now I'm going to just add journaling papers to them. And they're going to be all different digital journaling papers. So it's just going to be a really um, nice mixture of various papers. It's going to be extremely eclectic and nature themed, as you can tell already. So things that are near and dear to my heart are the papers that I have picked out. And so I am going to be journaling in here, and I'm starting that tonight because today has been not even today, a rough week. And I really need to get back into my gratitude journaling because it really helps your mental health overall. And I'm dealing with my mother being in a rehab nursing home, possibly going into long-term care, and she's just not doing well at all. So please keep me and her in your prayers. I would really greatly appreciate that. And so um, this project is coming at the perfect time because I'm motivated now to get back to doing it, and I'm taking you along with me on the journey. So I hope this is something that will inspire you, but also motivate you. But knowing why I'm having to do it, what's making me, um, and not making me, what's motivating me to do it is the fact that to help me deal with the stress of seeing my mother deteriorate, quickly, and she's given up on trying because she's just exhausted. She's 83 years old, and they force her to get out of the bed every day because it's in the rehab side. And it's just one health issue after the other because of, that whole setting. And it's a nightmare. It's a nightmare. So I need this. So you're going to be on this 100-day journey with me because you're going to be able to see me talk about the transformation that I'm going to be able to see. I'm going to be working with my somatic practice therapies, my amygdala reset and safety setting therapies, and my self compassion journey that I did a few years ago, right after I had the AFibs incident. And so I'll be reintroducing you all to that whole side of coaching, help coaching. It's not the same as cognitive therapy with the professional. This is when you're doing things with just a health coach and you're, self coaching yourself. with with the guidance of the tools that are provided, you know. So I may, I'm going to speak to my primary care doctor, and I may see a cognitive health therapy right now just to get through this. And I think I'm going to need to get back on my B complex because I just take a B12 and a folate. But I can't take any prescription medications because of the metoprolol interference in my heart. It just doesn't like anything, and it won't allow me with any herbs and homeopathics. So my B12, my B complex is going to be my only thing, and thankfully that is something that I can do, and it is obviously is a nervous system stabilizer. So you're seeing me just decorating these first 2 pages. And so as I print out more of the digital papers, I will come back in and, but I'm going to be writing daily what I'm grateful for in my own life. And then I'm going to have one section that is going to be talking about that. The other little section is going to be I turned 62 today, and I'm going to talk about all of the things that I am grateful for in my 62 years that my mother did for me. I think that would really be a nice tribute to her. And I'm hoping that maybe I'll get to read it to her. She still has her mind, even though she's on psychiatric medication. She still has her mind. So I think this would be something very loving for her to hear me say to her, for her to know that this is how I'm spending my days. And I mean, let's face it, who can forget your mother? You just can't forget your mother. And she did so much for me through my life. She was always there with my catastrophic health issues. So, I mean, I owe her a great debt of gratitude, and I just want her to know that. And I have a whole Bible-based coloring book with scriptures and creation. So I've been coloring in that. And so I'm going to color the pages that I know have nice pictures and scriptures that she would like, that show the better life, the new world that the Bible promises, that we believe in. And, you know, I'm only speaking of my faith and what I believe in. I'm not speaking to convince anybody, convert anybody, or anything like that. I'm just sharing what I believe in. And so that hope of living on a beautiful paradise earth that is very soon to come. So I think that would be something that would encourage her as well. And so when I go up there, I'm going to say, Mom, look at this picture. And I'm going to read her the scripture, and I'm going to say, what do you see yourself doing in that picture when you're perfect health and mind and not old anymore? And then see her response, and then talk to her about what we're all going to be doing together. It's going to be so beautiful. And I think that would cheer me up. It would help me with my dealing with this whole ordeal. So in conclusion, I would love for you to look at my garden and what's blooming. Please watch the next video here on my channel. Thank you so much, and then please leave me an encouraging comment, and anything that I can do to help encourage you here on my channel, please let me know. And keep creating in the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video, which is going to be all about our slow stitching sampler. And we have a new series and a new quilt wall decor that we're going to be making together. So thank you again, and I appreciate each and every one of you.